So one of the things that happen with our stream is we do get a weed that grows and it just catches everything coming through. So today we have Matt, who is, hey Matt.
There we go.
So Matt's going to use a combination. You want to go get that rake? We have a weed razor, that it's called. You see that, and it is basically a razor blade. Okay, so what Matt's now going to do is he's going to throw that out into the stream. Throw that out, bud. Let that sink. And the better it sinks, it's going to sink into the mud, and then as Matt pulls it back, the dog's looking intently. You can see there,
Look at that.
it shaves them off, it cuts them off at the roots.
Oh, look at that.
Yep.
Wow.
Just grab the rake and get what you can, I think. Zara's looking on intently. Okay, so then you just pull the rest up.
Look at that.
Yep, because that will cover the whole stream if we don't get that up. And the beauty of the weed razor is that will slice it off at the roots.
Must come and catch of any fisherman. Seaweed.
Sam over there, getting into it. Using the hand hoe and the rake. All the other little bits of the weed out so they don't catch, regrow and spread from there. Hey Sammy!
Yeah.
So the boys working in, cleaning the stream. Sam's pulling it out as he cuts in. You can see a really dirty stream at the moment. That's all the mud coming through. It's been stirred up from Matt working down there. Here's the boys. Hey Sammy! Matt, we're almost done. Almost there. Just got the other side, also a bit dirty. Matt's been working in this side. Getting that out as well. Boys did a great job yesterday cleaning the stream.